Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change which folders are indexed on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. In the top right field versus View By, click the drop down and select large icons. And then you want to go and select where it says indexing options. And now you want to select the modify button. And then at this point, you can change which folders are indexed by clicking the drop down next to whatever drives you want to expand. And then check mark or uncheck the folders you want to include in your index. And then once you're done, you would need to select OK to save it. And then the indexing should automatically kick in and begin running. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.